Good evening, everyone. This is Lady B. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to do a quick video to tell you how to make a fertilizer using nettles. These are nettles. This is how they look like. You must have seen them in your garden. This is how they look like. I don't want to touch them because this thing, when they touch your skin, you dance. You scratch and dance and dance and dance. And they're also known to have antihistamine in them. So this is nettles. So what you do with this is you cut some of these plants and you chop them. You chop them into pieces, and once you chop them into pieces, what you do is that you put them in the container that's called lid. This is my one. And when you put them in the container, you fill it up with water. In my own case, I fill it up with rainwater. If you don't have rainwater, you can use normal water or tap water. So I filled mine with rainwater. And what happens is you leave it for about 4 weeks, a month. In my own case, I've left it longer because this thing has been here for, I don't think, since April. If I'm right, if I'm correct. And this is the finished product. This is what you get after a month. This thing smells, and this is how they look like. This is your fertilizer, complete fertilizer. You cover it up because it smells. So how do you use this thing? You get a water can full of water. So this is 10 liters of water. Fill up with water, and you get glass cup. So I'm using this. You just get a cup. I'm using this cup, and you take one. In my own case, I've got 10 liters, so I'm using 2. So if you got 5 liters, you use 1, and you just pour it in there like that, and you mix it up. Yeah. I have to put my hands inside this thing. Oh, gee. And that's it. And what you do is that you mix it up. You mix it, and once you mix it, that's your fertilizer ready to go. And that's it. If you do have any question to ask me, please leave me a comment, and I'm happy to help. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.